My name is Chepkemoi Magdalene. I'm the founder and the executive director at Sasakazi. Growing up in the rural village, I never imagined that one day I'll be a software engineer. After high school, I went to Nairobi to look for greener pastures. While in Nairobi, I realized that there were so many opportunities for young people to grow and to build their careers, something which my fellow young people in the rural village did not have. And this led to the launch of Sasakazi. Sasakazi responds to barriers to unemployment, which includes availability of employees among the young people and the demand for businesses to hire. We do this by identifying businesses with digital projects and then matching them to the young people to be able to support these businesses to digitize their business processes. Apart from that, we enable them to gain experiential learning that enables them to grow their careers, but also teaching them soft skills for workplace settings.
Thank you.